This is how beautiful the world looks through the next pair of glasses that you should own. And in today's video, I'm going to be showcasing this amazing frame and lens combination in the amazing location of the Louvre Museum in Paris. So hi, I'm Robert, Style and Vision Consultant at the Spectacle Factory, and it's my job to pair you with your perfect pair of glasses. And this pair of glasses is the perfect addition to your eyewear wardrobe. I'm going to be explaining all of the reasons why that is as we go through this video. Let's start with the glasses themselves. So this is the Harlem, New York, an amazing undersized aviator frame with so many hidden details and elements that make it beautiful. From the single upper brow bar with hammered detailed pattern to the signature looped end tips. Everything about this frame is cool, in typical Parisian style. But it's not just about the frame, and the lenses are actually the most important part of these glasses, as they are with any glasses, because after all, it's through your lenses that you experience the world. And I cannot convey just how much effect the way you see the world has on how you feel. But here in Paris, wearing these glasses felt like the most vivid and picturesque scene imaginable. And the Louvre itself is beautiful enough. It does not need enhancement. But it was cool to know that I was seeing all of these amazing artworks, sculptures, and the environment itself even better than I would with the naked eye. And that is why I'm so passionate about lens tints. Lens tints are a way of filtering what you see to not only enhance your vision, but also change your experience of life. And in this incredibly opulent environment, it's amazing to think that this lens tint actually made it even more luxurious and even more saturated, even more colourful. At the same time, also more relaxing. This is a custom amber 40% gradient tint that we created in-house with an amber flash coating. And I have to credit my good friend Richard, one of our clients from the USA, who actually gave me the inspiration for this lens tint a couple of years ago now. We played about with it, we adjusted it, we retinted it several times in our in-house lab before sending it to Zeiss in Germany, who replicated it on Smart Life lenses. But it's important to know that these are not sunglasses, and they're also not clear glasses. These are the next pair that you should own in your eyewear wardrobe once you've got those two things sorted. You may not like this specific frame stylistically, but the lens tint itself is such an easy introduction to lens tinting, because as you can see, it's actually quite subtle. It doesn't stand out, it's not a colourful lens tint like a lot of the ones that we showcase on this channel. For example, my Sweet Violet tint, which is my favourite overall and is more enhancing than this amber tint, but definitely looks very obviously like you're wearing tinted glasses. These are relatively subtle by comparison, and as I mentioned, they are not sunglasses, so when I stepped out of the Louvre into the bright daylight of Paris, I was a little bit dazzled. And the temptation was to switch to a pair of sunglasses, which I ordinarily would do, except of course I'm reviewing these for this video for you today. But as long as I wasn't in direct sun, actually my vision was very comfortable and natural outdoors. They still provide a little bit of sun protection, that has to be said, because it is a 40% tint after all. It is blocking 40% of certain wavelengths of light. But it also has the amber flash coating, which is an iridescent finish applied to the front surface that actually reflects sunlight or bright lights in general away from the eyes. And the advantage of that is that your eyes are more comfortable in brighter environments. It just felt like these glasses were at home, and I guess they are because Arlem, the brand, and the person behind the brand, Arlem herself, are from Paris. And I was able to wear these glasses throughout the duration of my very short visit. My vision was comfortable and clear at all times, and that's the other advantage of this tint, is that it's not too dark and it's not too light. It's just right for casual general wear. And so many people don't have glasses like this in their eyewear wardrobe, but you really should. After seeing this video, after wearing the glasses through Paris, in the Louvre, in this incredible environment, I feel like they are one of my perfect pairs of glasses. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you have, make sure to give us a like. And I'd love to know, what other frames do you think would suit this particular lens tint? Let me know in the comments below. And subscribe for more of the best eyewear content on the internet. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. One last note that I want to leave you on. I hope throughout this video you felt like these glasses suit me, like they look good on me. For me, watching the footage back, I definitely feel they do. In fact, they're probably one of my most stylish pairs, if not the most stylish. But prior to filming and watching this video, I didn't feel like these glasses suited me. And that is the inherent psychology that comes with buying and choosing new glasses. And it's the part that people really struggle with. They expect to put a pair of glasses on, look in the mirror and think, yes, that suits me. That is just not how it goes. You are the worst person at seeing yourself objectively. We all are. And the one note that I want to leave you on is that if you have in your head a vision for a style of glasses that you want to wear, go for it.